First, install the plugin from the link in the description. Once that's done, enable this option. Then head over to Google Console and create a project. Make sure you enable the free credits. Head over to Compute Engine, create an instance, then click Enable. After loading, add the following name. In region, add the ones closest to yours. Select T2. Go to OS and Storage. Set 30 GB. Select HTTP and HTTPS traffic. After loading, go to the guide that came with the plugin and copy this. Then in Google Cloud, click SSH. Press Authorize. Paste what you copied and press Enter. After installing, copy this and paste it also in the SSH and press Enter. Now copy this giant text and paste it also in SSH. Press Ctrl-O, Enter, then Ctrl-X. Copy this and paste it also in SSH and press Enter. Head over to Google Cloud. Copy the external IP and add it to the guide. Now copy this and paste it in SSH. Then again, press Ctrl-O, Enter, then Ctrl-X. Now copy this and paste it in SSH and press Enter. Once it's done installing, paste your external IP and copy the line. Then press Ctrl-C, paste the line, then press Enter. Finally, copy this last text. Then in the comma settings, paste it. Make sure to select the access, network state, and internet permission if you're exporting also for mobile. And in resources to add this line here. Now add the lobby menu to your lobby and the authentication menu also. Connect this signal. This just hides or shows the menus. Now add the travel to scene to the controller. Now in the player, add the player controller. Add the camera if you have one. This is where we sync the properties and functions. We're going to sync the player name, movement, direction, shooting function, and the player animation. Now let's set up the sync function. This syncs the player's username. Now let's create the corresponding function, like this. Same thing with direction. And finally, the shoot function. In your game scene, delete the player. Then add the world controller and set up its settings. Once that's done, export the project to another device, then test. As you can see, you have authentication. You can even edit your account details. As you can see, it works. There's even a leaderboard and timer you can use. Just use these functions. Thanks for watching.